When you want to replace a toy or change the layout, our goal is to ensure that the uninstall process is as smooth as possible. Follow these simple steps to effectively remove toys from your display board. Use the Dommei tool that comes with your Dommei display board product. This tool is specifically designed to assist you in easily and safely removing toys from the display board. Identify the toy that you wish to uninstall from the display board. Flip over the display board and confirm the positions of all the spiked pegs that are used to connect the toy to the display board. Using the provided Dommei tool, insert it into the designated slot on the back of the display board, and apply slight pressure to push the spiked peg out from the back. Once the pegs and toys are pushed out, you can easily pull the spiked pegs out of the silicone backing of the toy. Don't discard those spiked pegs, they can be reused with a new toy. By following these steps, you can effortlessly remove toys from your display board, making room for the next masterpiece that awaits.